Hi, Libya here again, and this week I've been learning the hymn Guide Me, O Thou Great Jehovah. It's in the key of C and kind of the usual chords that you might expect from C. So C chord, F chord, G, D minor, and E minor. Okay, and let's play through the first verse once through. So this hymn is in double or quadruple time, so you're going to be playing two beats per chord symbol you see on the song sheet. And we'll be using our standard strumming pattern down, down, up, down, down, up, down. Okay, let's start. Grab your song sheets and we'll play through all three verses once through. Guide me, O thou great Jehovah, pilgrim through this barren land. I am weak, but thou art mighty, hold me with thy powerful hand. Bread of heaven, feed me till I want no more. Feed me till I want no more. Open now the crystal mountain, whence the healing stream doth flow. Let the far and cloudy pillar lead me all my journey through. Strong deliverer, be thou still my strength and shield. Be thou still my strength and shield. When I tread the verge of Jordan, bid my anxious fears subside. Death of death and hell's destruction, land me safe on Canaan's side. Songs of praises, I will ever give to thee. I will ever give to thee. So that was Guide Me, O Thou Great Jehovah. And I think it's a relatively easy hymn. I think the only tricky parts are on the, let's see, the fifth line, the jump from G to D minor and from C to E minor. I think those are the places where the jumps might be a bit tricky. But I think if you practice it, you should be fine. So hope you like this hymn as much as I did. See you next time.